We are here at the bridal show with Alexis from Faces, and I love it. Love my eyelashes.
Good.
Everything is great. Love your hair hoo-ha, your flower. It's great. If you are a bride, mother of the bride, or have a special event, you can't do it without Faces,
No,
and
you
that's
can't.
for sure. Talk to us a little bit about some of the services and things that you offer.
Okay. Well, for brides, makeup is huge, and we do offer airbrush makeup, which is going to give you that flawless finish. It's going to last all day long. It's going to be sweat-proof. So especially in the heat for summer when you're doing those weddings, that's going to be huge.
Let me ask you a question talking about the airbrush makeup. Do I need to come in ahead of time and really plan with you or practice what I want to look like?
I mean, we do recommend a consultation either the day before, or sometimes brides will even do it the day of their wedding portrait to kind of kill two birds with one stone and play with different colors, things like that.
What are you seeing from a trend point of view as far as makeup? Are we seeing a lot of eye color, a lot of lip color? What do you all like?
I think the classic looks are really making a comeback. Bright red lips, the poof in the hair, the flower. They want that glamour, that old Hollywood glamour.
And I know one of the things that you all are known for is really the total package. It's wonderful to come the day of the wedding with your entire bridal party. What kinds of things do you have to offer?
Well, we do have 6 treatment rooms and nice manicure pedicure stations where groups can come in, enjoy time with their group, mother of the brides, bachelorette, everything like that. So it's really nice.
Oh, that is so much fun. You have great pedicure stations. I mean, everything. What kind of services specifically?
For brides?
Yeah.
Well, we do eyelash extensions, as you know. We also offer no-chip manicures, which are great. They'll last up to 7 to 10 days, different colors to choose from. Pedicures, of course, facials, anti-aging, makeup, spray tanning as well.
And I love your spray tanning is amazing also. Once again, it's always impossible to get everything in that we need to when it comes to Faces because you have such an array of things. But again, thank you. Enjoyed this show. Looks like there's 1 million people.